Introduction. In the rapidly advancing world of technology, the Internet of Things, IoT, has become an integral part of our daily lives. IoT devices have transformed traditional homes into smart homes, offering convenience, efficiency, and improved living experiences. From automated lighting systems to intelligent security cameras, there are numerous IoT devices available in the market that can make our homes smarter and more connected. This article explores the top IoT devices for a smart home, delving into their features, benefits, and how they enhance our modern living. Smart speakers, the hub of smart homes? The foundation of a smart home often begins with a smart speaker. These voice-activated devices, like Amazon Echo or Google Nest, serve as the central hub for controlling various IoT devices throughout the house. With just a simple voice command, you can control lights, adjust the thermostat, play music, check the weather, and even order groceries. Their seamless integration with other smart devices makes them an essential part of any modern smart home setup. Smart thermostats, energy efficiency at its best. Gone are the days of manually adjusting the thermostat. Smart thermostats, such as the Nest Learning Thermostat, use AI algorithms to learn your temperature preferences and create personalized schedules to optimize energy consumption. They can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, allowing you to adjust the temperature even when you're away from home. This not only improves comfort but also helps in reducing energy bills and contributing to a greener environment. Smart lighting systems, illuminate your way. IoT-powered smart lighting systems offer convenience and energy efficiency. With smart bulbs and switches, you can remotely control the lighting in your home and set schedules to mimic your presence when you're away. Some smart lighting systems can even change colors, providing mood lighting for different occasions. Whether it's dimming the lights for movie nights or waking up gently with a simulated sunrise, smart lighting systems have it all covered. Smart plugs, transforming ordinary devices. Want to make your existing appliances smarter? Smart plugs are the answer. These nifty devices can turn any regular appliance into a smart one by allowing you to control them remotely. From turning off the coffee maker after you've left for work to scheduling your desk fan to turn on before you arrive home, smart plugs add convenience and automation to your daily routines. Smart security cameras, ensuring peace of mind. Home security is a top priority for every homeowner, and smart security cameras provide an effective solution. These cameras offer high-definition video feeds, night vision, and motion detection. Some advanced models even use facial recognition technology to differentiate between familiar faces and potential intruders. With real-time alerts and cloud storage options, you can keep an eye on your home from anywhere and ensure its safety. Smart locks, enhanced home security. Say goodbye to traditional keys and embrace the convenience and security of smart locks. Smart locks allow you to lock and unlock your doors using a smartphone app, a passcode, or even your fingerprint. You can create temporary access codes for guests or service providers and monitor entry and exit logs for added security. Smart locks offer peace of mind and the flexibility to manage access to your home remotely. Smart appliances, convenience at your fingertips. From refrigerators that create grocery lists to washing machines that can be operated remotely, smart appliances offer unparalleled convenience. These devices can communicate with each other and with you, making your daily chores more manageable and efficient. Whether it's preheating your oven on your way back from work or checking if there are enough eggs in your fridge, smart appliances have you covered. Smart smoke detectors, early warning system. Safety is paramount, and smart smoke detectors provide an early warning in case of fire hazards. Equipped with advanced sensors, these detectors can detect smoke, heat, and carbon monoxide. They send instant alerts to your smartphone and trigger other smart devices to ensure a swift response. Having a smart smoke detector adds an extra layer of protection for your home and your loved ones. Smart water leak sensors, preventing costly damage. Water leaks can cause extensive damage if not detected early. Smart water leak sensors are designed to detect even the slightest leaks and send notifications to your phone. Some models can automatically shut off the water supply to prevent further damage. By installing these sensors, you can avoid costly repairs and protect your home from potential water-related disasters. Smart doorbells, see and communicate. Smart doorbells with built-in cameras and two-way audio let you see and communicate with visitors even when you're not at home. Whether it's a delivery person dropping off a package or a friend coming to visit, you can answer the door and keep track of activity around your home. Some smart doorbells also have motion sensors, which can deter potential intruders and enhance overall security. Smart entertainment systems elevate your experience. Transform your living room into a smart entertainment hub with the latest IoT devices. Smart TVs, soundbars, and streaming devices offer seamless integration with popular streaming services, voice-controlled remotes, and high-quality audio and visuals. Enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and music with unparalleled ease and immersive experiences. Smart health monitors, taking care of your well-being. IoT is not just limited to home automation, it extends to personal health as well. Smart health monitors, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, can help you stay on top of your health goals. These devices track your heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and more, providing valuable insights to help you lead a healthier lifestyle. Smart pet devices, caring for your furry friends. Pets are an important part of our families, and smart pet devices cater to their needs too. Automated pet feeders ensure your furry friends never miss a meal, while smart pet cameras allow you to check on them and interact remotely. Some devices even have built-in laser pointers for playtime and temperature controls to keep your pets comfortable. Smart garden systems, embracing green technology. For green-thumbed individuals, smart garden systems offer a blend of technology and gardening. These systems monitor soil moisture, sunlight levels, and temperature, ensuring your plants receive the optimal conditions for growth. You can remotely control irrigation schedules and receive notifications about your garden's health, helping you cultivate a lush and thriving garden.